Today we're going to install a new battery on a 2011 Toyota Sienna. Alright, first thing you want to do is make sure this bracket, there it is, nice and latched. Next thing we're going to do is grab our battery and put it right into the battery tray. Alright, next thing we're going to do is grab our battery bracket and we're going to slide it right into that screw that's sticking out, or bolt. Alright, and go ahead and put the nut that goes right in that place there. And just drive this all the way down as much as possible. That way it holds it into place. Perfect. Then we're able to grab our bolt and put this one right here. And we're going to be using a 10mm socket to get these tied down. Alright, there it is. Now we're going to grab our positive post and put it in there. Let's go ahead and tie this down with a 10 wrench. And just make sure it's nice and tight. Perfect. Put this little cover back on. Now we'll grab our negative post and we'll tie down our negative post, or our terminal. There it is. Perfect. And that is how you install a new battery on a 2011 Toyota Sienna. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.